Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. You don't know, my name is Nick and I'm the Storyboy. Right now we at KFC Cul-de-sac. You don't know, with some of the fellas we outside. You don't know, we have Freezy there, we have SL there, we have Tivani there. Me say we outside. That's the hottest on the AKT right now. Pick him up one time, you know, watch him. When you see him, flag him, tell him something nice. Don't know, massive. Guys, you don't know, we're going to do a small river lime today. As you can see, we're going to look here. Heading down Missy. Yeah, the lady that talked to me in the drive-thru there, she was very rude. And I think that is her there. So that's her, guys. Anyways, guys, I'm going to run this intro. Let's go. Boom.
All we need is just a chance.
His mommy, the devil is a liar.
Show them what we can do.
Mix it. Let go, race it. The GoPro have a little problem. I don't know what happened to the GoPro. The GoPro just not coming on. I charged it this morning. But instead, I make your boy feel Becky, but I make him race Becky for the first time. And watching me happy like a bird. Guys, I'm throwing air all in my chest, see? Go. Let the boys do their thing. Yeah, massive. We outside. It fuck up, you like it, eh? The village of Anse La Raye, and right now we're following Freezy is the man that took me with. So yeah, we're following Freezy. Going by the river there. He drinks in SL bag and the food in my bag. And as you can hear at the back of me, we have a monster in his back. Yeah, me say, we'll continue when there is back. So guys, I don't like the fact that my GoPro now working. I don't like it at all. But we will go. First of all, before I say anything else, guys, tell me, what do you think? You go to that power bomb instead? Checking it going up too easy? You'd have to pull it much, huh? Everybody go see how you had it on the stretch. Yeah, boy. And I line boy, from me sitting on the bike to at the bike here, in the bike passing and thing. Now I know why, everybody. Now I know.
Put a new chain for me.
Yeah, I have to come to the new chain for SL. Now you know SL well fresh. You don't check it. My GoPro. I know I charged the GoPro this morning. Starting to vlog before GoPro coming on. Guys, Freezy bring us one trail there. Me say I love that trail. I just wish I could vlog everything, but I did my bike. I don't throw my bike and you check it. You check it, so I behave myself, but massive level. So guys, see I have about a 3-minute walk to the river also. Yeah, so we're going down. And where my key? Oh, you locked the neck? Yeah. Alright, so we're good to go. Guys, we'll be back, okay? We're not gonna be long, I think.
Your bike.
You love it, see?
Boy, just tall guy, tall.
But it's a tall fella. I don't know why. Since I get the bike, everybody telling me, doggy, my bike taller. Just lock it on the bike.
Also, my toes not touching here.
When you ah! You feeling tall in the air? But you like it, eh?
Yeah, man.
And you find my brakes too low or my brakes good?
Imagine at that point, when I give too much gas to go back, I have to send my feet right down for the brake.
Because you have slippers to start shoes.
Your peg loose.
I have a thing, I have heels under my shoe. So,
Oh, so sometimes
yeah, so by the time I press it, it's there already. That is why I have it low, so. That is why when I was riding yours today, I tell you, your brakes too sharp. Because as I put my foot on that, I was holding the brakes, guy. Me say, windy. Hot of it, you may say windy jungle.
Now my tire got
yeah, we have to check on your tire. I feel it wobble, but you don't wobbling bad, eh? But it's the tire. It's the tire. You seen it.
Yeah.
But when you watch, I they watching the rim may bend. But the tire doing a thing. The tire that bend, the tire that thing, the tire put properly. And you put the tire properly. See them man mad. May say guys, you're not hearing them birds chirping. When last you hear birds chirp? Hey, may say I lie, nah. The people that do come, I know for you, but so far for us it's good. Why you saying that one?
I love it.
You love it, eh? I happy, guy. And I like the nature, guys. So I like them kind of vibes. Hey, may say we could have been our bikes right there.
How you crossing the thing?
Just right over that. A drain not there, guy.
Yeah? How you riding over that?
No, but there we live in it, guy. A drain not over there. Boss Freezy, guys, you don't know, go and check out Freezy new video. What is the name?
One on the road, this one on the road.
You don't know, guys. May say when we reach, so we're gonna cross one river. Let me just record there, just in case they won't fall. Yeah, may say we crossing one river there. You come in here and meditate? I think you'll be here meditating every day. I think that's how you are 24/7, eh? Hey, may say we in a big jungle for what? Mama. They should make an elevator for her. Fat man like me, you think I want to walk? You're not looking like it?
No, it's different, but the shows looking like this as usual. Oh, no man,
You. I can't climb. My mother didn't give birth to no monkey. Messi, look, I almost fall and burst my face. Hey, Messi, the place nice. See? What the heck? And now Freezy wanted to bring. No, that is it! Yeah, babes. But Messi, I tell you that guy. Messi, guys, let me show you all that place there. Watch that. Mama.
That's why we have our own infinity pool there,
Messi, no, that is a vibe, doggy. That is a place to cool up. No, 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 I happy. No, Freezy, big up yourself. You tell me I go like it, I go like. Remember I tell you if I was going to bash it, I was going to bash it. And if it good, it good. It good, Messi. Ah, hey, that man ready for the water there, boy. Yeah, mate, super happy. My GoPro give up on me, but you don't know. I like it, I like it. Say Devon going and check on the drinks in the river for them to stay cool. You check it, Freezy don't start mashing on his roast bacon and fish. You don't check it. And the rest of us there is KFC waiting. KFC waiting. So me say, I'm gonna take my KFC and I'm gonna try and sit down by the river down there. And then I'm gonna try and cool out there for the day. Yeah, man. Me say, I'm so excited I was forgetting to vlog. Oh, you see that man up there? Big up matey boy. And Frizzy say it have more. Guys, we coming for all of them. Look there one over there. He done meditating on his own high already there. That man just take a dive. You don't know me say the place beautifully. Beautifully. I'm just going to take a picture there. If I fall, I'll just break a leg. If I fall, I'll just break a leg. Yeah, me say that's the thing in life you have to enjoy. I just wish that's the only thing, guys. But me say I enjoying it, eh? It's good.
As you can see, Storyboy is enjoying the cold water. Everybody's cooling out. SL probably had like 9 drinks already. You check it. Okay, man, enjoying the vibe, you enjoy your ride, you enjoy the kid. You'll be pulling out under the shed.
Yeah.
They say eyeliner. If I could live here, I would live in here. Mama. I just wish you had an escalator or elevator to bring me here. We park the bike. I like to walk too much.
Yeah, it's a really nice spot, man.
Yeah, man, it's nice, man. Yeah, guys, buy your AKTs now. Head down to Coach Unicoma and join the family. You never know where you might reach. AKT, all kind of track.
All kind of track. Get your t-shirts.
Guys, you all can see the crayfish?
You buy me?
There, guys.
I don't see them, man.
Guys, you see any crayfish there?
Oh yeah, I see it. Two of them.
They clear.
I passed them on my car.
With this stuff fucking shit, you got. Yeah, guys, you have crayfish in the water there for say. So that means you have big one, you have to lose. Mama. Yeah, me see. We've been greeted by some other fellas there. Big up yourselves there, you may see. Don't know one time, eh? Here, me say, so salon I wanted to come there and enjoy the niceness. You don't check it, guys. The water cool and nice, the place great. Sunny weather, you see. Look, I put my hand in front of the camera there, massively outside. Guys, I don't know why my GoPro give up on me. I like that. When I go play it, boy. Go and check out your Instagram. Why is it a movie kid? Yeah. Guys, follow a movie kid. Guys, they were hot on the AKT. You check it there. Just know we have to upgrade this AKT, make him look a little bit more like Becky, and then he good to go. You don't know. Why have to tell them now? May say watch the crayfish on my toes there. Yeah. Watch the crayfish there, may say. Yeah, may say the people come there well ready. All their fig and everything there, they gonna cook their food. May say the place ready, they ready for them, eh? You're from the area there? And sorry? Yeah, may say that the natives from the village, eh? What is the name of a YouTube channel?
Offers not restaurants.
What's it?
Offers not restaurants. Hit up on the TikTok, the Instagram, the YouTube. Yeah, Missy. Don't forget to visit the page. We have a lot of content coming soon, Missy. Just bear patience. We coming here. We coming.
Mason, follow them. Big support, guys. You don't know, everybody. We're growing. We're getting large numbers growing. Support the vibe, Macy. You check it. Boom. Yeah, Macy. Even the tree also was up on it. Eh? They are a little too young, but mama. Yeah, may say the people have their pot bubble in there. The people are ready for it, that's why it's people lie down there and think they come there well prepared, boy. Yeah, man, we buy our little KFC and thing. How are the people come there more ready than us, boy? They don't know we live in the people. Storyboy Nick. Storyboy Nick. Storyboy, S-T-O-R-Y-B-O-Y. Oh, you may say which road we take?
Yeah, let's go down.
That one there?
Yeah.
I may say we live in the area now, guys. I forgot to big up. You don't already go ahead and check out my boy Island Hustle on Instagram. Rocking one of his merch right now. keep grinding. IH Doggy Fire merch. Guys, go ahead and support. You don't know. But now we're moving out in the jungle, miss. Yeah.